boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have another song from Sigrid here called Everybody Says They're Fine. But are they really? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go into this song and let's start with the capo here on the 4th fret. And with that we have 6 different chords to learn. So let's look at these chords. So we have first the D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, let's move to the A. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Sorry, my capo is a little bit tired. There, we have this clean E. Alright, let's move to the E minor there, and we have the open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next one, B minor, that's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be a C, but with an E in the bass, so the C E chord. So that will be open E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So 6 chords, and before we go into the chord progressions like that, we're going to look at this strumming pattern that will work for the song, and we will have it illustrated with a D. That's the first chord, so grab that D, and one full round will be like this. So it's a pretty long one. We need to divide it into 2 different parts. So part 1 will be down, 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 up. So 3 downs and then down, up. So that's the part 1, and the part 2 will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, down, and then down, up. And if you combine these two, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Yep, so there we have it. Alright, so the first verse will be the chord progression D, A, E minor, and G. You will play 1 full strumming round per chord, and that chord progression D, A, E minor, G, you play for 2 full rounds. So 1 round will sound like this. Times 2, and that is your verse. Let's go over to the pre-chorus. And here we're gonna use this part 1 and part 2s, okay? So the chord progression now will be B minor, A, and G. You will play B minor part 1, and then you quickly change to A and play part 2, and then G while 1 full strumming round. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds, but the last G in the 2nd round, it will be just 1 down. Instead of 1 full strumming round, you play 1 down, and it's a pause there that builds up for the chorus that comes right after. So the full pre-chorus will sound like this. And pause. Yep, so let's go to the first chorus. And yeah, we have it played in the exact same way as a verse. So that means D, A, E minor, G, 1 strumming round per chord, and you play that for 2 chord progression rounds. So exactly the same as verse 1. Then we have this post-chorus part, and that will be D, A, E minor, G, still, okay? So nothing changes there. Still strumming, 2 chord progression rounds. Yep. Pretty much everything else is repetition except from the last parts there. But the second verse now It will be the same as the first one. The only difference here is it's half as long, so only one round of D, A, E minor, and G. Then second pre-chorus played in the exact same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second chorus played in the first one. Yeah, it's the same. Exactly the same. Okay, so after the second chorus comes post-chorus parts. So here is where we use this C, E chord. You're gonna play strumming here. And the chord progression will be D, one full round, then the C, E, one full round, then the B minor, one full round, and G, one full round. Okay, but the last G there, you're gonna play this for 2 chord progression rounds. On the last G, you just play 1 down plus pause. So I'm gonna play this full post-chorus part for you, so it sounds like this. There you have it. And then that takes us to the third chorus played in the same way as the previous choruses, so nothing changes there. And that pretty much wraps it up for Sigrids. Everybody says they are fine. All right, and I'm one of them. It's all fine here. I'm happy if you're happy with this tutorial. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.